Hi everybody. Welcome to the Leah Noel Design Co. Facebook page. I'm Leah and I'm a decorative furniture painter. So we are at a point where we are getting ready to glaze. So now I'm going to tell you the glaze I'm using the Dixie Belle's black glaze with a whole lot of black acrylic paint added to it. I was using Caviar and the Caviar is too chalky for me. So I went ahead and mixed it up with a lot of acrylic paint. I just picked a black that I had. This is Beetle Black. You want a fluid acrylic, not a thick acrylic, because the fluid acrylic helps it like mix better. You'll know if you have a thick acrylic because when you try to mix it, it'll be chunky. The Dixie Belle black glaze just isn't black enough for me on its own. So I go ahead and I mix it up with either Caviar or in this case acrylic because I want it to be more. I went ahead and I applied one coat of Satin. All right. So what I wanted to tell you guys is that this is a car wash sponge. Since this is a textured look, I did not care to get out my good blue sponge to make a nice smooth finish. I cut up a car wash sponge like this and I put them in a plastic bag. And this is what I used to apply my clear coat and I just threw it away. And I'm just gonna kind of start, and I wanna work fast because that acrylic paint will kind of dry quickly. I got about 15 minutes working time. So as I'm doing this, I kind of don't want to get it on my leg because I'm gonna do that one separate. I may get lines. So as I'm going and my sponge is getting thicker, I'm gonna like turn my sponge and move it around. And I'm gonna grab different sponges with different amounts of glaze on it. A lot of times I pull it in lines like this, right, to get like a depth look. But this is Galaxy, so I'm gonna kind of rub it in a little bit. Look at that. Look at how deep that is. Okay, we're gonna keep crawling. You guys, yes, this is what we want. I sometimes move funny, so I just want to make sure I'm using it up as I can, because once it's on, it's on. So the acrylic paint, I am using Dixie Belle right here, okay? I have it in a bowl, but I took about half, there's about half in here, and I mix it with acrylic paint to make it dark. All right, look at that. Do you see the difference? It's just really deepening the look. For the most part, we're done. I am gonna stain the top. I may pop in and just stain the top with you guys because I wanna get it done. I wanna get it staged. I hope you guys learned something and had some fun. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I hope you are encouraged to be creative and find some fun things to do. I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.